Friend.tech. Welcome back to T on Chain, your go-to channel for everything crypto and blockchain. Today, we're diving into the latest update from Friend.tech, their V2 Clubs feature. So let's start here. What exactly are clubs on Friend.tech? Clubs are a new feature introduced in the V2 update, and they allow users to create and join community-owned spaces. These clubs are managed by key holders and use a bonding curve to determine membership fees. Creating a club is straightforward. First, you go to the chat section on the Friend.tech platform. Here you can create a new club by selecting the New Club option below the search bar. Once you've selected that, you will have the option to add a club photo, select a name and club description, and also have the option of setting up a bonding curve for membership fees. This curve helps balance supply and demand by adjusting the membership fee based on the number of members. After you've made all of your adjustments, you can select the number of keys that you'd like to own for your club. And voila, now you've created your own club and people can join by purchasing keys. Next, let's take a look at how to join a club. Firstly, you need to click on the Discover section, and after clicking there, you will be shown a list of recently made clubs. But let's say you'd like to join a specific club. You should then select the search bar at the top and type in the name of the club you're looking for. Once you've found the club, you can select it and see how many friend tokens it costs to buy a key. Each key grants you access to the club's exclusive content and community discussions. The platform charges a 1.5% fee on each transaction, which goes to liquidity providers on their decentralized exchange, BunnySwap. Once inside a club, you can engage with other members, participate in discussions, and access exclusive content. Club owners can also set specific roles and responsibilities for members, creating a more structured community environment. Now, let's talk about how to find good clubs. Here are a few tips. Check the activity level. Look for clubs with active discussions and frequent posts. High activity levels usually indicate an engaged and vibrant community. Review the membership curve. Analyze the bonding curve to understand the cost of joining and how it might change as more members join. Look for reputable key holders. Clubs managed by well-known and respected key holders often provide more value and better management. Engage with the community. Don't be afraid to ask current members about their experiences. Community feedback is a great indicator of the club's quality. And that's it for today's video on Friend.tech's V2 Clubs. I hope this guide helps you understand how to make the most of this new feature. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with clubs, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to stay on chain.